I'm going to make a video on this 25 FKBS microlite by FLAGSTAFF. The actual empty weight on it is 6,100 pounds. The GVWR is 7,800 pounds. Does have power jacks all the way around, including the tongue. Little cubby hole there to get storage. Has slide toppers on both slides. Got two slides. Little storage there behind the refrigerator. It is a 12-volt refrigerator, which this trailer does have solar to help run that refrigerator. Does have cable and satellite hookups there. 30-amp trailer. Outside shower there. Does have a griddle, comes with it, along with a little table that hangs next to that griddle. You can actually access this through the inside of the trailer also, under the bed. Does have a ladder to get up on the roof. It's got a receiver hitch on the back, 2-inch receiver. Spare tire. It has screens over the water heater and over the furnace. You can hang a TV there. It's a front kitchen model, therefore it's got lots of counter space in here. Lots of doors and drawers. There's where you can get access to the outside also. This is a pantry in there. Does have a closet here that you can actually use for hanging clothes or pantry, either way. TV, 32-inch, fireplace. Also, theater seat with tables. Does have a 15,000 BTU air conditioner with a thermostat there on the wall. Does have a nice shower, glass enclosure. Storage up underneath the lavatory. And there's your medicine cabinet. Does have a porcelain toilet with linens that can go in there. Does have storage up underneath the bed, like I said. It does have drawers and outside storage access also. It is a full queen, 60 by 80, residential. Place for a TV to go here in the bedroom. This is your wardrobe. Nice, large wardrobe. Drawers and a little storage area there. USB ports by the bed and plugs. Little shelves there by the bed. 30-amp trailer. And it has, both doors have the solid steps. Come see it. Quality RV Sales and Service, Nacogdoches.